Hello, maurieos 2018 Land Surveying 1, the week that was February 26th to March 1st. Hello, welcome. Well, we've had the second week of practicals, and we've got through, all groups got through. We had some quite variable weather, but the weather did not stop us from getting our work done. So this week we did the 2-peg test and then did a levelling run out on the nice flat level ground. Next week, however, we're into the paddock where things will be a little bit more rugged and outside, and we will have a variety of things to do and start working on our assignment. Generally things went fairly well, although we did have one or two that had some problems with their level runs. So it's very important that you perhaps do a little bit of background reading and an understanding of how the levelling works, as this will certainly pay dividends in being able to get your tasks done in a good time and to get them done correctly. It's also very important that you take your time and be very careful with your measurements and put good practices in place so that you try to minimize mistakes. Generally things have gone pretty well so far, although there are some interesting little issues with recording and getting things done that will still need to be sorted out. So this week will be the telling one, where we start to do a little bit of work on the assignment and, as I say, out in the paddock. I did get quite a number of questions on the survey mark worksheet, and I hopefully helped people answer those. One of the things that is there, and it's part of what I call the learning integrity situation, is that the answers are available. So if you have gone through a process of watching all the videos and sort of sort out all the available resources, and you're still a little bit stuck on a question, you can just have a bit of a look at the model answers that I have provided there, and they will give you a bit of a hint in the direction and things that we go. But it is very important that you first of all understand what you're writing down, and that you write it down in your own words, because you will have to write it down in your own words for the exam situation, and also it makes it a lot easier to understand if you've explained it in your own words. So this is part of the learning process, I believe, where you've got to take responsibility for your learning and make sure that you have learnt it and you understand it correctly. So this would involve reviewing the model answers, reviewing your answers, and just making sure that you get a satisfactory answer for you in the first instance, and that is acceptable in an exam situation. So it's been a pretty good week, and we look forward to another week where we're out in the field. A number of people have sort of expressed a preference for coming to the Tuesday class rather than the Friday class, and this is possible, but this week will be the last week that you can change, because from here on in you'll be working in groups on assignments through to the end of the course. So it's very important that you keep coming to practical on the same day and join the same group and sort of use similar equipment and that sort of thing. So we'll see what happens this Tuesday and see how the numbers sort of work out. But after this, changing around from stream to stream is possibly not going to happen anymore, hopefully. providing there are no extenuating circumstances. So, pretty good second week as we go into the third week where we start the assignment. All good. Cheers. See you.